Who wrote this troubleshooting guide? Well, I didn't, even though Git blame will fool you. So who did? Well, not a human. I have been using a tool called Continue. You can get it on Continue.dev. And I set it up with my own Envoy AI Gateway documentation router agent. That is how this guide came to life. Let me walk you through how I set it up. In Continue, you can define rules for how your agent is supposed to behave. So I gave my agent rules about how to write documentation for this site and some writing standards for this site. And because when I write documentation with AI assistants, I don't just stick with one model. My flow is like this. First, I use Claude Sonnet 4 for the technical details, and then I tend to move on to use a GPT model for the fine-tuning. And for example, you can see what I did here, where I went in to improve the language to use simpler and shorter sentences with a supportive tone. To make it simple for me to use multiple providers and models, I use a model router, and I use the Tetrate Agent Router Service with Continue. It gives me all of the billing, the performance, the logs, etc. in a single place. To use the Tetrate Agent Router Service with Continue, I set it up like this. First, I grab an API key from the Agent Router Service, and then I drop that into my Continue setup. Then, when I want to use a new model, say GPT-4 or another Claude model, I just add it to my agent configuration. So there's no hassle to get a provider account set up or anything like that. I just have a single provider effectively, and that is through my router. And that is how my I swear I didn't write this troubleshooting page came to be. So to get started in VS Code, check out the Tetrate Agent Router Service model blocks on Continue.dev and try out maybe remixing the documentation router agent from Tetrate with your own agent as well. So if you are looking to enhance your processes, this combination of the Tetrate Agent Router Service and the versatile Continue platform does provide you with a powerful and user-friendly solution.